All living creatures contain the hereditary material that is deoxyribonucleic acid, popularly referred to as DNA. DNA is made up of 4 bases: adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. The sequence of these bases create a code that translates into the information that builds and maintains an organism and their traits. Typically, traits come randomly from an organism's parents. So this mom can have blue eyes and blonde hair, and this dad can have brown eyes and brown hair, but their child might end up with brown eyes and blonde hair. This all depends on the genetic sequence of the parents and how they randomly create the child's genetic sequence. In rare cases, a mutation can occur, which can create an entirely new trait, but I don't think anyone's been born with purple hair yet. Even though in nature, organisms end up with their traits randomly, mankind has been controlling organisms' traits for many, many years, specifically crops. For example, carrots have been carefully bred to showcase the common orange color that we associate with it today. There are many techniques that allow for crop modification. One example is mutagenesis, which uses mutagens like radioactivity to encourage random mutations to eventually create the desired trait. This technique was used to create a deeper color inside the grapefruit. Using genetic engineering to directly modify an organism's genome creates GMOs, or otherwise known as genetically modified organisms. GMOs are created by cutting a trait and pasting it into a plasmid using enzymes. Some biotech companies then use gene guns, which shoot metal particles coated with DNA into the plant tissues. Another way to integrate the gene is by using a specific bacteria, which naturally invades and alters the seed by integrating their own DNA into the plants. GMOs are great because scientists can modify plants to be resistant to many of the issues that affect crops today, such as pests and weather. Integrating genes that are pest and weather resistant can increase crop yields, while lowering the cost of food and increasing its availability. With rising threats from global warming and the world hunger crisis, the benefits of GMOs have shown that they are a fantastic step towards combating these problems. However, GMOs have become increasingly controversial. Seen as unnatural, many people have been opting out of buying GMO products out of fear of unknown side effects. Yet many studies have shown that these side effects from GMOs have yet to occur. Studies have actually shown that those who oppose GMOs tend to be those who know the least about GMOs. As the need for GMOs increase, the more dire it is to remove any associated stigmas. I look forward to the day when we can no longer worry about someone going hungry because of new sustainable agricultural practices that have risen from the usage of GMOs. Spreading information on how GMOs work and their benefits with friends and family can help reduce the stigmas associated with them and help us move towards this better and brighter future.